Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JVC Gumy mini headphones and I'm going to tell you where you can easily find their user manual. At first we have to enter our web browser and here we have to search for JVC Gumy mini user manual, as you can see. Here now, as you can see, here we have to scroll a bit down so that we can see our headphones user manual. I think that it was the first one. Yes, it is. And now we have to tap on it. And here, as you can see, we have charging, connecting power on, audio/phone, power off, we're in trouble, others. Here, as you can see, we have power off, for example. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.